R65 Gleaner, Washtenaw County. We believe we caught him the other day. There was a case combine, neighbors basically. The case was doing soybeans and the Gleaner was doing corn on Clinton Road, right off Clinton Road. It was kind of busy, difficult to find a parking spot. So we're just chasing him. He's got his corn head on. See where he leads us. And there's also to the right, there's some dust that we see a couple miles away. Yeah, you see the combine over there. Is it a John Deere, you think? So there's a John Deere doing soybeans. Right now we're chasing this Gleaner. What, you think it's a case?
I think it's not working.
Yeah.
The other one?
Yeah. We're driving, still chasing this R65, and both Gay and I thought we saw a combine in the cornfield ahead, but we were seeing things. It's just that parked, that piece of trash. We thought it was a combine over there. Sometimes when you're harvest chasing, you see things. You want it to be a combine, but in reality it's not. From afar it looked like a combine doing corn, but it's just a piece of junk.